Bam. All right, now we're live.
Go, hit it.
Oh, mine went out.
Oh, shit. Like the middle one, Chris.
Oh, my eardrum.
Swear, we know what we're doing. We got this.
Fuck, I can't hear shit.
What? Technician, you're
What?
yeah.
Woo! Oh!
Yeah.
Jeez.
Oh shit! This is me videoing Sean, videoing me live. We're live. We're videoing. Uh-oh. Whoa, sorry. Whoa! Oh yeah? Got something for that? Got something for that?
Round two.
Round three.
Yeah. Oh, woo! Yeah. Get out the way!
Whoa! No!
Shit. We got a scrapper.
Don't hurt yourself.
Look, Chris has been live the whole time.
Yes.
Out of box, baby. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look, say cheese. Say
Where's the
cheese.
balls? Get some balls. They're all gone?
That's it, dog. Look.
There we go.
What's up? What's up?
So pretty.
They weren't cool like this one now. Is that it?
Yeah, there's only 8 in this box.
So pretty. Been getting the ringside view right there. All fingers, all toes accounted for.
What?
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 He can't hear a little bit, but he's good. He's good. A little off balance.
What? My equilibrium's fucked up.
Fuck. Pretty colors.
Is that it?
But wait, there's more. There's a fire.
Because it never stopped. Never stopped.
Oh, shit!
That's not good to hear. Yeah, get Lou. Filming Lou. Going live on Facebook.
Going live with the live.
Let's look with the live. Let me see. Let's see what we got going on over there. Sean, you want to get in on this picture back here?
We got a little something. We got a little something going on.
Let's see what you got going on there. There it is. All right, we live.
Oh wait, there's more.
There's more.
That's why I wanted that fucking torch. Fucking dickhead.
Hey, There's kids watching this live feed. I don't know whose kids they are, but.
So pretty. They live. They live. They live. We got action. The finale. Whoa.
Man, I forgot to look up.
I hate that. I knew y'all would be on live.
I lit mine.
I had to work on this like 4 times. All the other ones get lit?
Whose lighter is this? Yeah, I lit on mine. No, you did.
Damn. Damn. Is this the finale?
Whoa.
Okay.
That could have took somebody's eye out.
Whose
Yeah,
lighter do I
get
have?
there.
Go check it out.
Walk up on that shit.